The objective of this project is to be able to come up with an appliance to be an alternative providing the same effect as air conditioner, using less compartments and, most importantly, less electricity. The system has the advantage to operate by AC of DC power supply. The appliance is composed of 5 simple compartments: the inlet, the outlet duct, ice box, also known as cooling box, which is a multi-tube tank, the fan, and copper cylinders. The fan provides an airflow that travels at a range between 2.7 meter per second and 6 meter per second. The airflow then passes through the inlet duct, followed by the cooling compartment, consisting of ice and copper cylinders. The copper cylinders have high tendency to absorb the surrounding temperature, allowing the airflow to cool down in a very small amount of time. The air will be cool and will be released through the outlet duct into the atmosphere.